This is not looking so great for the bulls, guys. Yesterday, after the FOMC announcement, we were expecting the price action to look like this, but instead, it started to look like this. Bitcoin, are you even still alive? We have not seen much volatility at all. However, now we're seeing some concerning things on the chart. Bitcoin price right now is at a very, very crucial level, and it's happening right alongside the dollar breaking out of this massive resistance, and the S&P 500 also getting a significant drop to the downside. This is a bit concerning for the Bitcoin bulls, and there's two major variables that we really need to be looking out for right now. So make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell for notifications, because we are bringing you the juiciest, because all crypto YouTubers are on steroids, and the most timely market updates here on YouTube. Bitcoin price is currently breaking down from this rising channel, and this is very concerning because, as we've been mentioning for the past few days, as we've been grinding up here with this ugly price action, we are building up liquidity underneath all of these lows. What does that mean? That basically means if we start to lose the channel, we are going to set off stop losses that were under these lows, and then stop losses under these lows that were under these lows, under these lows. It will create a snowball effect that could lead to a very swift and a very powerful move to the downside. Now, after yesterday's FOMC, when we take a look at the 4-hour market Cipher B, we have now officially confirmed something that is quite concerning. As the price was getting higher into an area of key resistance, the area in between the Fibonacci golden pocket and the 786, we are seeing the momentum waves actually get lower over time. We have one head right here, one head right here. This is known as the dreaded bald-headed Gary Gensler market Cipher B pattern. As the price gets higher into those key fib levels, Gary Gensler's head is getting more and more bald, more and more gray, smile more and more Photoshop. This is quite concerning. Now also, when we take a look at the breakdown here, not only are we losing the bottom trend line of this ascending channel, but we're actually coming back down inside of this fair value zone. That means it's actually more probable than not that we will make our way all the way back down to this low right here. Now, this also lines up perfectly with all these lows, all this liquidity that could be grabbed. And if we take a look at a fib from the low to the high, we can see that we are also coming right in to that zone between the Fibonacci golden pocket retracement and the 786. So just kind of look at this here. We rejected from the fib levels, and now we potentially could come down for a bounce to these fib levels. Now this is very significant because, as you know, the 618 Fibonacci is my high school crush. Her name is 6Juanita. And she has always rejected me every time I've asked her out on a date. And the reason, guys, is because I was in something known as the friend zone. So although she seemed to be into me, she really wasn't into me like that. So when I asked her out, would you look at this? Boom, such a harsh rejection. Now, here's something else we need to keep in mind about 6Juanita. One of the reasons why she rejected me is because she was a popular cheerleader. Now, she might have dated me, maybe, right, if she had just been a normal girl, but she was a popular cheerleader. And she was always hanging out with her popular cheerleader friends, and she was too embarrassed to say yes to me in front of her girlfriend, who looked like this. That's right, her girlfriend had a strange condition in the gluteus maximi, uneven. Now, when we take a look here at market Cipher B, as we came up to the 6Juanita Fibonacci level, we see her friend standing here with the uneven butt cheeks, which is why she was too embarrassed to go out with us on a date. But here's the thing, guys, because we are in the friend zone, she will be there to offer us support when we get rejected, and we'll say, are we ever going to have a girlfriend? She'll be there to say, yes, don't worry, there's someone out there for you. So the way I'm looking at this price action is the following, guys. If we come down to this level and we find some kind of bullish divergence when we come back down here, what's a bullish divergence? We want to see on the 1 hour time frame something like this. We want to see the momentum waves getting higher over time as the price is getting lower into that key zone. That will actually tell us that we're going to hold this as support. Now, we need to take a look also at the dollar and the S&P 500, because after yesterday, the dollar started to get a big move to the upside, breaking out of this key area of resistance, which is also the Fibonacci golden pocket and the 786, right? Here's what we need to look out for. If the dollar, because there's one last zone of resistance here, if the dollar gets a rejection from this fib level right here, about 106.204, that's the 786 fib level. Now, the 6Juanita, which is the golden pocket, she might go out with you. She probably won't go out with you. Her older sister, the 786 fib level, she definitely won't go out with you because she's definitely not even into men, all right? There's speculation out there that she is a man. I don't know why people speculate that. I think it's disrespectful. But what we need to keep in mind here is If the dollar does get a rejection from this area, it will line up very nicely with Bitcoin coming down to get a bounce from none other than its golden pocket 786 at the value area low of this range. So it's very, very crucial that we're watching both of these markets together, because if the dollar hits resistance and rejects and Bitcoin comes to support and bounces, we could very, very easily see that confluence. Now, of course, if we don't see the bullish divergences down at that level, we can expect a much larger move to the downside, in my opinion. As far as the long trade that I am in, the setup that we gave in the Casper crew, literally from the exact bottom, I am still planning to hold this and potentially add to it if we come down to that support with bullish divergences. As far as the short trade, we gave the short trade from the exact top, also in the Casper Crew VIP Discord. You can see I am still holding the short trade. This is still my Grandmaster plan, guys, where I am planning to swing short all the way down to here, long the retracement around to this area, and then compound the short down to lower prices. Is it possible we're not going to hit my target? Yes, it's possible. That's why I'm a huge proponent of taking partials, moving that stop loss to the entry. By the way, guys, if you want to join the Casper Crew VIP Discord, where we give trade setups in advance, where every single day we do multiple live streams, going through the live price action as it happens, giving our setups, you can go to jasoncaspertrading.com. Go ahead and click the link to join the VIP Discord. If you want to educate yourself and learn how to do this the right way, check out the courses. We have a 25% discount on both of these courses here, and we're also proud to announce the White Phoenix Smart Money Approach to Trading. This is the most comprehensive course I've ever seen on trading. Great for beginners or people who've been doing this for a while. If you're a member of the Casper Crew VIP Discord, White Phoenix will give you a $200 discount. And guys, if you want to trade this price action on MEXC, 0% limit order fees, 0.01% market order fees, the best deal. Link in the comment and the pin comment and description. Guys, only sign up for an exchange if you know how to trade. If you don't, please don't start to trade. Also, if you want to trade the traditional markets using USDT as your margin, trading the ES, the S&P 500. We are also trading that in the Casper Crew. Gave this short setup in advance from the exact top. I am trading on BingX. So we really need to be watching this chart right now. If you were in the live stream yesterday, these were the levels that I was looking at on my chart to basically look for potential supports. And as you can see right now, we're actually coming down to zone number 1, where we are getting a little bit of a bounce. But along the way down, we have other zones where we could potentially bounce from until finally culminating down here at that 25.5 level. This is basically the last hope for me as far as my Bitcoin long trades go. So guys, I'm going to be looking for bullish divergences at all of these zones, still potentially holding my swing long from down here up to the $30,000 level. However, if we don't see the bullish divergences at these levels, we need to expect lower price action. So guys, that is it for today's video. May God bless you all in the name of Jesus, Yeshua the Messiah. Even if you are not religious, I still pray that everybody watching and listening is super blessed. And I will see everybody in the next video. Peace!